Plus 45 for course 1 math is going to divide decimal numbers into whole amounts, whole groups. Think about $2.25. You got to split 5 ways. Maybe 5 friends each need an equal piece from your $2.20. 45 cents each. Okay, so we divided a mixed number that's shown in decimals by a whole number of times. Same would go for if we had 225, 2 and 25 hundredths as a dividend divided by the whole number 5. They always add this 0 here. You don't have to. They make a big deal of that. But you do need to make sure you raise up your decimal point here. Straight up. 5 doesn't fit in the 2, so 5 goes into 22 4 times. So you end up with 20 as the multiple there. Subtract, get 2. Drop the 5 down, right? 25. 5 goes into 25 5 times. So you're at an even 45 hundredths. Divide 4.2 by 3. Raise up the decimal and then do it just like as if you were dividing 42 by 3, where you can fit 1 into the tenths place, leaving you with 1 to drop with a 2 to make 12. 3 goes into 12 4 times. So the key here, you do your division the same way as we always have. We can always be working on our division, keeping things organized and orderly, working on our multiplying and trying not to use our calculators on these. But big different thing is making sure that you keep the decimal straight up from where it had been in the dividend. So the decimal stays directly above where it was in the dividend. Raise it straight up, and then you'll end up with a proper quotient. We've got 3 going into 24 hundredths, so now there's no whole number in the dividend. It's just a decimal, just part of a whole. So you raise up your decimal. There's nothing to the left of the decimal to put into. We raise it directly up. You've got an empty space there. Now 3 goes into 2. Nope. So we got to actually put a 0 here and move our divisor now into 24. Well, that goes in evenly 8 times. And there's not going to be anything left. It's going to be 0. So 8 tenths here, right? Just see what they did. Looks neater than mine. Decimal division answer not written with remainders. Instead, we attach zeros to the end of the dividend and continue dividing. For some reason, they show this one with bigger numbers. But it's not 5 doesn't fit in 0, so you raise up your decimal and you start at the tenths place, but 5 will not end evenly with 6. So what do? If we want to keep going, like they mentioned, we add a 0 because that doesn't change the value. Drop that down until it can be done. Okay? That's simple. Reference example 3 there if you get one of those and you can't remember what to do. Why don't you pick A or B, and then let's do D, G, J. So pick one, and then one of these. That leaves you with 4 total. Thank you.